Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and in this video I'm just going to show how to add more rows and columns on your Google Docs mobile table. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a column and row on the table in Google Docs mobile. So first of all, I just click on this plus symbol and just open a new document here, and just going to change to the print layout. Then just click on this plus symbol and just going to insert two rows and two columns like this. So I just need 4 rows and 4 columns. You just want to select first, just select this, which actually select the whole column. Just select this icon on the side. You can see this icon actually select the whole row or whole column. After selecting the thing, you just need to click on the plus symbol on the bottom, which actually adds more rows. And if you need a more column, just select this, then click on the plus symbol, which actually add more columns like this. This is how you just insert more rows or columns on your table in Google Docs mobile easily. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.